Cluster septic systems offer tiny house clusters a way to maximize usable land while providing safe wastewater treatment for multiple units. Design a centralized system by first calculating total daily flow using conservative per-person rates such as 50 gallons per person per day and adding allowances for laundry or occasional guests. Choose an advanced treatment unit or a conventional septic field based on soil permeability tests and available area, and size it for peak occupancy plus 30% for future growth. Create a shared maintenance plan that specifies inspection intervals, pumping frequency, and who performs routine checks, and document that plan in the governing agreement for the cluster. Allocate easements and define ownership responsibilities clearly so each lot owner knows payment share, access rights, and repair obligations, and record those terms with the local land records. Include redundancy and an emergency bypass, such as a secondary leach area or temporary holding tank to handle peak loads or treatment unit outages without contaminating groundwater. Ensure the design conforms to local cluster development rules and obtain permits early because modifying a built system is costly and time-consuming. Common mistakes include undersizing the system due to optimistic occupancy estimates, which is avoided by using conservative per-person flow numbers and sizing for total possible occupancy. Another frequent problem is unclear ownership and easement language that delays repairs and creates disputes, and that is solved by drafting binding agreements and recording them before construction. A third issue is ignoring redundancy, which leaves clusters vulnerable during failures, and this is resolved by including a secondary field, temporary holding provisions, and clear emergency operating instructions in the maintenance plan. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like shared septic systems, helping us find local professionals familiar with cluster designs and permitting. We also host a discussion community where members share experiences, post questions about system options and maintenance, and discover contractors seeking work for these specialized projects.